All right, JS, we're gonna have some fun today, and we're gonna talk about Waybo. I kind of feel sexy when I say it, Waybo. Yeah. And before we get into what the technology is, what does Waybo stand for?
Waybo means we automate your business operation. That means we are providing automated solution for shop, for job shop, for small shop. It's what we do.
I like that name, and it's fun to say, Waybo.
yeah,
you know
that's
pretty
nice.
So let's get into the automation before the audience leaves the camera from my bad dancing. And get into the automation. You're an integrator for KUKA.
Yep.
And let's talk about the cell that we have set up here, the flexibility, the profitability, how it can help a client, and then where Waybo comes in to make sure that those potential partners are taken care of. But let's start with the technology first.
The technology, yes, perfect. So the system, it's a machine tending solution. It's made for feeding CNC machine, CMM, any kind of machine you have in machine shop. The demo here is a pallet feeding system. So we are feeding a lathe or a milling, no robot programming, easy deploys, 1 or 2 days and you're ready to run. It's something we do in repeat, it's an inventory, so it's easy to put in place in your shop. So it's basically made for small SMEs who don't have any robotics already, or they can have some of them, but this is an entry-level system, 120 volt, plug it in the wall, ready to work.
I have two immediate questions.
Yeah, go ahead.
And that's how my brain works. It's like a tree that grows into branches to learn and learn and learn.
Yeah.
My first question is, JS, did you say no programming?
Yeah, this pallet feeding system, you will never have to program the robot.
How does that work?
It's because it's pallet-based systems, so the robot always move the pallet from the storage to the CNC, or the CMM, or the marking, or the washing station. User will put piece on it, vise on it, work holding, what they want to do. But the robot will always take the pallets. So that is a very simple solution for people who don't want to learn about robotics.
It doesn't get much easier than not having to program, does it? I mean, that's a win already for those of you out there who are still considering automation and haven't quite stepped into it yet. You actually, JS, answered my second question, which is normally I would see a vise or something on here that connects to these pallet changers over and over again. If I think of some sort of 5-axis milling and pallet changes, you've now adapted instantly with a small plug and no programming, a pallet change system into, say, a 3-axis machine or something like that, right?
3, 5.
Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So let's talk more about Waybo. When I think about KUKA, I think, what a really big corporation. How can they visit everyone? They must have 1 million employees, right?
Yeah.
But it's integrators like you that support them in such ways with training and making sure you understand to create technology to support customers and clients out there as well. So let's learn more about Waybo and learn more about your territory and how you specifically can help people through automation and the KUKA platform.
Yeah. KUKA, we are working with KUKA since about almost 10 years now, and they are providing very good support in North America. And Waybo, we're based in Canada. We do everything. We build, we assembly, we program, we deploy, and we have a network in North America to support us, our solution. We are various. This is a pallet feeding system. We have drawer solution, we have larger, but this is the smallest one. We have up to big pieces for lathe and milling application. But the strongest of our solution is because we have a network, and with KUKA partners, we can reach many area, and we can deploy our solution with distributors such as Merrifield here. Merrifield help us to support our solution and deploy it to help customer to introduce automation in their shop.
JS, we, as you probably already know, are a global channel at MTD. What is your territory with Waybo? Who do you support? Is it only Canada? Because obviously that's not true. We're in Michigan
Yeah,
right now.
yeah.
So it's obviously more than that. But I want to just clarify for people watching right now, they go, oh man, Waybo can do anything, and I need them, and I don't want to program either, and I want to set up a pallet change or drawer system or whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'm having a little fun and exaggerating a bit, but where all do you support? What areas of North America, what areas of Canada, US, where can we find you?
We are actually supporting Canada, of course, US ground too. But from everywhere you are, if you are interested by our solution, we are very
the
open.
world.
Oh yeah, why not?
There's your answer. He says, why not? Anywhere around the world, these guys can support you. And it's almost like that song that goes, anything you can do, I can do better.
Yeah.
And you are that integrator. What a great support. JS, thank you
you
for coming down to Michigan and speaking with me, educating myself and the audience on all the capabilities that you're able to do.
Thank you very much too.